If you're on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my live streams. Blah, 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 blah. You know the go. Don't be boring. Early live stream because of state of origin. And I will be watching it. So, yes. But let's get it. Let's run it. Early stream. We'll trickle this one up a little bit so I don't get in trouble. All good, all good, all good. Boom. 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 And we are rolling. We're going. What up, Mr. Texas, Mr. Dallas? I think I'm going to take this trade off. This is pound odd. I am close to TP, but we have this double top here, and I would really like for it to not double top and then come back down, which it looks like it potentially might. So I can take it off. It's only 0.2%, but I don't want to be sitting in this for fucking days. So I think I'm going to take this off. We're in decent profit at the moment. Could we break out of this level? Possibly, but I don't really want to risk it. So I'm just going to take both of these off. So that will put our percentage to 5.45 for the month and 0.3% for today. What up, Tommy? Good. Good. How are you? It's been a while. What's been happening? You know what time it is. And if you're a regular here, you know what this means. What is this strategy? It's a form of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Put a shirt on? No. It's fucking hot. It is hot. Thor, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you. We get everything sorted yesterday? All sweet. No one wants to see that six-pack. Put a spoon on your head so we know you're real and not AI. I can't be fuck going doing that. Get a job. No. What's happening right now? Not much. What do you mean? Hopefully. Sweet, sweet. What's the best platform to use for day trading? MetaTrader 4 in my opinion. God. Why aren't you wearing clothes outside? It's freezing. I am wearing clothes. If you got a job, would it affect your profits? Nah. Nope. How are you all? Make sure you're liking. Oh, fuck. We don't have the like counter up. Sorry. No wonder fucking nobody's bothering to like it right now. My bad. My bad. It's an early stream, so I had to kind of fucking get everything sorted quickly. I was so busy today, so fucking busy. Holy shit. Like the stream now. I want to know if this is working. Is it working? Someone like. Someone like it. There we go. All right, thank you, Lucas. All right, we're working. Your drink means it's time to work. Sorry, I'm new here. Oh, it's my favorite drink. It's my favorite drink. It's the Aldi Flying Power Whites, and I've been slacking on going there to go get them. So, but yeah, it does mean it's time to work. Why don't you get a job and get even more income? Well, I mean, I'm so busy as it is, I wouldn't be able to get a job. Are we going to break through this? There's no way, right? That'd be annoying. Oh, well. Anyway. How much capital gains tax you pay last year? Enough. The fuck? Shop and Pack Measy 904, thank you very much for following me. Trendzone 222, thank you very much for following me. Guys, we're probably going to hit 4,000 fucking followers today. We're probably gonna hit it. Can I get a follow account, please? Someone? What are we on? People that make 9 to 5 yearly in a couple of seconds. Oh, man, that's very rare. That's very rare. Luke A35. Ooh, do you have an A35? I fucking love them. 3,978. We are so hitting 4,000 fucking followers today. We're so doing it. We're doing it. I'm excited. What does TikTok have for us today? Please don't be, oh my God. Alrighty, 100K likes. We're not hitting that. I don't have enough time. I'm only going to be on for an hour and a half, probably. And I won't hit any more of these, I don't reckon. Unless we get a crazy concurrent view count. I got to check, actually, to see if I can get... Please have flares. Oh, I can get it. Alright, I can get a tier 2. I can get a tier 2. Alright, we're rolling. We're rolling. We are rolling. Why does this look so small? Amaze, thank you very much for the rose. I don't know if I even said that. I'm pretty sure I did, but yeah. I'm going to unfollow when you hit 4,000. Sweet. Julian. I'm going to regret this, aren't I? Okay, what about this guy? I mean, I did. Juskaran Saini 010, thank you very much. How do you come up with a strat? Oh, there's many ways you can do it, right? So, I mean, some people base, well, I mean, the majority of people base their strategies off of certain indicators, right, that already exist. Some people create their own indicators, but most of the time it's based off of somebody else's indicator, and they wait for that indicator to have a certain condition and then enter the market. Fundamentals as well. Some people base their strategies off of fundamentals as well. You need to backtest your strategy. Well, okay, we're getting some fucking viewers. Maybe the shirt off strat works. Get some fucking viewers. Let's go. How long have you been trading? Almost 5 years. Probably 5 years by now. Mateo, what up? I'm good. I'm good. I'm fantastic. We're going to pop a flare super early because I have to leave early for State of Origin. What up, Yeezy? How are we? We're so hitting fucking 4,000 followers today. I know that's, you know, we're not very fucking big over here. We're, you know, small community, but 4,000 to me is pretty amazing. When did you start trading? About 5 years ago. Morning, brother. Now this is the content I'm after. What do you think of XRP? I've got no thoughts on XRP. No thoughts. No close with just a cap. Braden, thank you very much for the rose as well. I appreciate that. Any profit yet? Today, yeah, we did 0.3% today. This month, we're at 5.5% already within 9 fucking days. We take that. We take that. We take that. You know, average is sitting around 7.5 to 8%, so we take that. for a month, tickers we should be looking at. Are you talking like, oh, oh, that hurts. Yeah. Ouch. How? I'm guessing it's still running. Everything's still running. What am I in? 1.94%. I don't even know. I get money by building right on mowers that drift. Mad. That's a good little side hustle. I respect that. I respect that. Yeah, Speedy fucking hell. Tess, thank you very much for following me. E.G. Hirsch, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Oh, the GJ Long I was after. I didn't even end up taking 4 out of 5. My rules happened, so I didn't bother. Good. Hey, you didn't get all your rules, so that's what it is. Cody and Brandon, thank you guys very much for following me. What up, Meegsy? How are we? How are we? Hi from Perth. Hello. Welcome from Brisbane. Stocks trading. What do you enjoy trading the most? I don't do any stocks. I only do Forex currencies. And it'd be my favorite. I have traded indices for about 1.5 years, but I honestly did not like it. I'm probably going to start up because if anyone saw my message in Discord, I'm probably going to start doing the indices again because I get people wanting to do prop all the time. And so I have to cater for those people as well. Which, God help me, I hate prop with a burning passion, but at least I can give people some good information and you know, at least steer them away from it. What pair do you trade and what's your strat? I trade 18 different pairs and I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. A few opened last night and it hasn't gone in the direction I need. Yeah. I'm serious, you're probably going to have to turn everything off. Because we got tariff news last night. So that's probably why. I trust TJ, I don't know. I don't trust anyone in this fucking industry. How long did it take you to be profitable? About 2 years. 1.5 years. So I found my mentor, and then after 6 months. But I was demo trading for that entire 2 years. Definitely making 4,000 tonight for sure. Excited. And it would have been stopped out, so it's nice as taking profit. Yep, yeah, 100%. Jubes, thank you very much for following me. Oh, by the way, my demo funded challenge ended and I had 90% win rate. That's pretty fucking high. Good job. Oh. Yo, what's poppin'? Not much, Jovanovic. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Welcome back, I should say. Thank you very much. If anyone doesn't know, Jovanovic hit the most likes ever on my stream last night with like 40... what was it? 40? No, fuck, it's the same one. 43,000 likes from Jovanovic yesterday. Like, holy shit. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Crazy. Just don't pick C Trader. Oh god, I've had this platform for 2 days and want to tickle someone badly. Yeah, dude, oh, fuck that. Jubes, Ricky Spider, Streak. Thank you guys very much for following me. Are we at 4,000 yet? Like, fuck, we're getting pretty close. Doing loud, what up? How are we? Hey, I'm trying to start trading. Any recommendations on what to do and what not to do? Do not listen to all the bullshit you see online. It's all fucking rubbish. It's all rubbish. Focus on the process over the profits and join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Come and speak to me about anything. About anything. Morning, my guy. What SPY range today? I don't trade it. When are you going to post TikTok dances, Tom? I have. Have you not seen my TikTok dance, Lana? Go watch it. Ivan, thank you very much for following. Do we buy Dogecoin? Probably not. I don't know. I just keep hearing about it, but got nothing to do with it. I got you, thank you. All good, all good. If you're brand new, I have a beginner's video in there, and I also have a mentorship if that's something you'd be interested in. Missed my entry on GJ Shorts at 801 purely because I didn't set my stop loss by the time I sorted. Oh God, went from 3.26R to 0.9R. That's right. You don't follow me? Why? That's rude. How should I get started with day trading? I'm really interested. Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the free 1 hour video. Discord's free. If you're lucky, you'll see them live and then watch the viewers plummet. She's my real friend. Like a friend in real life. So she's probably seen me dance before. But yeah, the viewers do definitely plummet when I do start dancing. They're like, what the fuck is going on here? Browntown, thank you very much for following me. What up, King? What are you trading right now? And what timeline? I trade Forex, so 18 different pairs. Timelines 1 hour for high time frame and 5 minutes for low time frame entries. I've seen it dance in person, it's scary. So I ended up digging on the stop loss issue on CTrader, and it's a Mac iPhone issue. Oh. Okay, gotcha. King Brits, thank you very much. Dream Invest, thank you guys very much for following me. Biggest loss in trading. It was a user error sort of fuck up where I left a bunch of pending orders on the indices and the market fucking crashed. And I didn't know. I didn't even know I had the fucking pending orders on. Pink, blue and black. Dream Investing and CKY Manny, thank you guys very much for following me. I think, I think we need to start wearing a... Wait, why is the music really loud? For you guys? TikTok's telling me that it's too loud. Is it too loud or is it alright? It's not, it's good. Oh, not too loud. Alright, sweet. Invest in Apple. Probably not the worst plan. Yeah, our views are finally popping again. We take that. We take that. I think it's definitely the no shirt, like everybody just wants to see the fucking... Everyone wants to see the kid out, Hey, not sure if you're up for any suggestions, but Cardano is what I have been looking at, and it good. I've got no interest in Cardano at all. Any cryptos I'm not really interested in, to be completely honest. I've got a bit of Bitcoin and XRP, but it just sits there. Benjamin, how's the market treating you? Yeah, what's going on? It's good. It's been this month has been fucking fantastic. We're at 5.25%. Sorry. I screenshotted it and just put it over here so I could see all my pairs and my percentages and everything before the stream. So, yeah. So I didn't have to go through every single fucking pair to go through my shit. EURUSD? I trade EURUSD. We can have a look at it. I'm not in it at the moment though. I just got out of pound odd as I started the stream. I'm gonna start multi-streaming to other platforms too, like just fucking on every platform. I don't even care. I'm just gonna stream on everything, which would be fun. I'm excited for that. EURUSD somewhat bouncing off of last week's low, but we have broken through it. multiple times. So it's somewhat invalidated. And we've somewhat broken through it again. And potentially looking at a pop-up. Although we might come down to last week's low potentially. But we could just see a W pattern reversal off of these levels here. Potentially. Maybe a gap fill. We'll have a wee little look-see right laddie. You clear as, sweet. I swear TikTok cry about everything. Oh, bro. You're telling me I'm the one who's been suspended about 300,000 fucking times. Invest in AI? Yeah, that's not the worst idea. Do you follow nah, whatever that is. Sounds like elevator music. Yeah, well, it's just non-copyright chill beats. I don't know. Is Weeble any good? I don't know. Never used them. Fair. Invest in AI. How much money have you made in profit trading? Billions and billions and trillions. Yo, put your shirt on. No. How much money have you made? Do you trade USD1? No. Danger Tay, thank you very much. Are we at 4,000 followers yet? We got 17 already. I don't know. I can't remember what the count was. Can I ask, is it possible to make market order on MT4 with a set stop loss before entering? Yes, you can. Look at gold. Okay, I don't trade gold, but looks like gold. Go follow. Go. Daniel Holmes is probably live still. If you want gold shit, go follow him. I don't have anything to do with gold. Cents. Yeah, it does. Euro USD, just looked at that. Ever heard of? No, nah, never. What other platforms would you stream on? I don't even know, bro. Like, the Kick wave is pretty hectic at the moment, so maybe Kick. I'm already on YouTube. YouTube doesn't do shit. I don't know. I just want to fucking expand the horizons of potential other people coming in to look at this pretty face. You know what I mean? Yo, big dog, what up? Chill. Up the mighty Queensland. Abso-fucking-lutely. Don't you live in Sydney? No, what? What was last week's low on Euro USD? 1.17078 was last week's low. You know Daniel? Yeah. He lived around the corner from me. Speak to him on occasion. Go tell him I say hi if he's live. What are your thoughts on NVIDIA and what would you be doing? I don't have anything to do with stocks, so yeah. Invest in, okay. Spying QQQ options guided. Yeah. Tyson, thank you very much for following me. I've been trying to get it. Get what? Wally? I don't know where your other messages are. You might have to... Silver Lady. Hello, Silver Lady. Yeah, I saw you. Before I want to start trading, how do I learn and start? Go to my Discord. The Discord's linked in my bio. We actually had so many people join yesterday. I swear we had like fucking 15 people come in. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Boltsy, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, we had so many people join yesterday. And then there's, in a free course tab, go watch the Day Trading 2025 Beginner's Guide. I might remake it, because that was like when I first started talking to a camera. What up, Toby? It's been a while. How are you? I'm a Queenslander, mate. Let's get it. Fuck yeah. XRP info, please. Realistic predictions. Zero clue. Zero clue. Tom Holland? I got called that before, actually, once. I'm like, the fuck? Who was that? Oh, yeah, I got called that once before. It's very random. Trade US 100. Yeah, I'll probably start again. I used to trade NASDAQ. Hello, my brother. What up, Armian? Armayan? Yeah. XRP, M4. I don't do XRP. Are you good? Just trying to yep. I think MT4 is calling my, like, I can't explain my hatred to C-Trader. It's unreal. Yeah. You look like a Temu Tom Holland. Really? Do I actually? I'm literally a ranger. You're not a day trader, bro. No, if you think you can do live on TikTok and keep up, well, what do you mean? I try and keep up. Wait, lad, what's up? Yeah, I said, what's up? It's been ages. What's been going on? Thanks, bro. All good. Just got back from Japan. I'm not catching this guy. Oh shit, we got a like war going on. Did you see? Did you see yesterday, Meeksy? He got to 43,000 likes. Anyway, Jovanovic 5.6. Thank you very much, Meeksy 2K. Malik 1.3. Bundy Son 765. Braden 487. Ivan 386. Luke 835. 385. King Brits 253. And K Willie 233. Thank you guys very much for liking, supporting. We're already at 22K likes, which is kind of nuts. Already, we've only been live for fucking 26 minutes. Thank you, Diamond, for following me. He was saying I tuned in from work on breaks. Yeah, I think I remember. It's not letting me go into your Discord. So when you try and get into the Discord, open it up in an external browser. So when you click on the link tree, it'll say there'll be 3 dots at the top. That'll allow you to open it in an external browser and then open it in the external browser. Otherwise, sometimes TikTok just takes you to the fucking app store for some reason. And Bill E, thank you very much for following me. Thank you. I'm excited. Is everyone watching State of Origin tonight or what? I'll go through the pairs also that I'm in. Taj, thank you very much for following me. Where are they? Hello? Alright, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar is the biggest exposure I have at the moment. I got 4 pairs sitting at about 1.23% drawdown. It's probably less than that now, actually. We've had a little bit of a drop. It's probably around 1.1. So obviously we've had pretty lengthy extension on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I did say this last night, I did actually want this to happen. This is exactly what I wanted to happen. So I'll take it. So we got in short here, obviously on this extension, popped up again, short again. Interest rates fucking boosted this like crazy. Had a bit of a pullback, climb back up. I did want that exact thing to happen, for it to pop again, to come back up so I could get another entry short, so as I could potentially, we could come back down to last week's high, and I figured my TP would be around last week's high, so we can just come out and take that out. I might change that TP after to last week's high and just keep an eye on it. Get this big gap fill, because that's a huge imbalance. So might have a look at that. What else am I in? New Zealand dollar CAD. It's pound odd. Oh, I already took that. I took pound odd off. New Zealand dollar CAD. Flopping around for days. We're almost to break even. 0.05% drawdown. Came down. Got in on a little reversal, didn't quite get it. Would have been lovely to get a second entry on that, because I'd be out, well out, but we didn't manage to get there, and we've been flip-flopping around for a couple of days. We're currently at last week's low. Literally right now we're at last week's low, so we probably won't be doing anything with this today, considering, you know, we had interest rates for the New Zealand dollar in the rate statement, which didn't really say much. They expected a very slight increase on inflation, hence why they're not dropping rates just yet. So without any of that actually driving the market, probably won't see anything on this. I think we do have CAD news later this week. New Zealand dollar, US dollar will be probably the exact same or very similar. Yeah, just last week's low is a little bit higher. We're just flip-flopping around. Obviously, got in on this extension. Got a pretty good entry down here. We did get, actually, there we go. We got a second entry. I was like, what the fuck? Why am I break even there? On this, we got our first entry, came down. Second entry, which is what I would have wanted to happen on New Zealand dollar CAD, but we didn't quite get there. We did pop up. We almost took out TP, but didn't quite get there. Came back down, flip-flopping around. Not enough to get another entry down here. And then just waiting for a pullback eventually. And then US dollar yen, which I'm in 3 positions on, which has, yeah, this has been a bit of a leg. So we'll wait for a pullback on this. We've got 3 positions, obviously extension. There was a small reversal on the 5-minute, didn't quite get it. Came back up, another entry, just pretty much trending on that at the moment, waiting for a pullback. That would be nice to come down and touch maybe last week's high, maybe even for a gap fill here. I could go for a bit of a home run on that, but I'm not seeing it, to be completely honest. And we're quite embedded up here on the RSI, so eventually we'll drop back down, but I don't think we'll quite... well, to be fair, with the fucking US dollar yen, you never really know how long it's going to go for. Could go forever. But I will presume there'll be quite a substantial pullback. Like, if you look at this move here, that's quite similar. I mean, this one's a fucking astronomical one, and then we completely A-shaped back down. So whether we get that again, if we need a little bit more of a push up, I'm only in 0.64% drawdown on this, so just typical market structure. We'll just have to wait for the news, see if there's anything that can drive us back down. And that's all I'm in. Not in many. Yeah, 1.9% drawdown, 5.2% for the... 5.45% for the month, and 2.9 for the week. 2.9%. Which is good. It's pretty much 1% a day. I'll take it. I will take it. Alrighty, let's catch up. Everyone talking about Dogecoin? Yeah, I know. Red Hands, thank you very much for following me. Should I start trading? It's up to you. Trading takes a lot of your time. My little bro did it once and lost interest. Yeah, it does take time, but so does everything. Just don't give up. Do you use a prop firm? Yes. I don't promote any prop firms at all to anyone. How long would you say it takes to learn and begin trading? Subjective as fuck to who you are and how you trade, really. Like, yeah. Ooh. Fuck. God damn. Whippy open. Oh, that's depressing. Well, good thing I didn't start on the indices today. Bird Chop with a go popular in a heartbeat. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Bird Chop. FOMC in 4 hours. Nah. I was just... Nah, not 4 hours. At 4 a.m. So in like 9.5 hours. If you're a day trader, why are you doing it at night? Jesus. I realized just now, why does it say day trading if outside windows it's night? Oh my God. Okay. So day trading doesn't have to be during the day. Day trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets throughout the day. So you're buying and selling intraday. I'm in between a day and a swing trader. Swing being days to weeks. Sometimes I'm in and out within the day. That's what a day trader is. And swing trading is days to weeks. So I'm in between that. Is your screen zoomed out or is it just TikTok? If not, how do you zoom out? It shouldn't be zoomed out. Is it? Birdshop, you missed out. We were pumping. We reached like 70 something viewers. Oh, we're 2 followers away from 4,000. Nah. Nah, we're chilling. Yeah, no, it just must be yours. I do use profit. I'm not promoting them. Best place to learn trading as a novice? My Discord. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch my 1 hour video. 4% drawdown. Can't imagine what that feels like. Yeah, dude, you're like... I'm not in 4%. I'm in 1.9% drawdown. Yeah. Yeah, I know. How much are you making after tax? I don't disclose how much money I make. I can tell you're not too experienced, but good for you for giving it a go. Lessen the ego. That's actually funny as fuck. That's actually a pretty funny. That's a pretty funny statement, but yeah. Are you on Kicks as well? Like Kick, the platform? God King El Diablo. Thank you very much for following me. FTMO, Alpha Capital have the best reputation, only reputation. Yeah, I kind of agree with that. Tom's doing spooky night trading. Thank you very much for the heart puff, Birchop. I appreciate that. That's actually confusing, mate. That doesn't make much sense. Trust me, bro, trading. What's going on here? What doesn't make sense? Who are these people? No way. Yeah, we did pretty good at the start. That be confident, sir? Confidential? Yeah. Can you please look at CAW? I don't even know what that is, Scott. What is that? Is that a stock? How much was your first trade loss or gain? Fuck, I don't remember. Hey bro, how's it going? Sleepy! What's good? I'm good. How are you? I can't recharge. Good, don't recharge. Kick, yeah, my fault. No, but that's actually fucking crazy. Nobody's ever asked me that, but I brought it up today. Like, I think I'm going to start streaming on multiple other platforms, including Kick. Because I want to get away from TikTok because they hate me. Crow with knife. Is that like a meme coin? You got a call group? Like, is that like a signal group? No. Same guy that said lessen the ego saying day trade. Yeah, I know. That's what I was like. What the fuck? No. Yes, no recharge. Yep. I mean, I can look at it, but But I mean, I'm not good, bro. I'm in a bad mood, actually, even though I achieved a lot during this year so far. What's wrong? You're a night trader, not a day trader. Oh my God. I feel like it's not enough. I'm doing something wrong. I don't know if you know the feeling. Yeah, of course. Bro, I get that all the time. It's quite common. Yeah, that's an interesting one. How can I analyze this one and respond to it? I feel like you're not doing enough. Well, if you feel like you're not doing enough, maybe start setting goals. So I don't know if you're a goal setter, but set goals and reach milestones. And then once you reach those milestones that you thought previously might not have been possible, then you can look back on that and be like, well, you know, I am doing enough because previously I set these goals that I didn't know was possible that I could achieve. Maybe. I don't know. Snapchat pays instant. I heard from my old buddy, but I never did my research, just asking. What? Do you live? Well, I don't know. What? I don't know anything about Snapchat. Like, it's a little slower tonight. What's slower? Like the stream? So close, so close. So close to... What? What are we doing? What's happening? $4,000? Yeah, I know. What are we at? 3,999? You guys already know what's happening when we hit 4,000 fucking followers. You already know. Like, there's no way that you guys don't know what happens at 4,000 followers. I'm getting it up. Just think, what's the purpose of your existence? Why do you do what you do? Reflection is the first step. That's a great, yeah. That's a great comment, yeah. Please, can you tell me about RGC stock? Don't do stocks at all. Sorry, mate. How much do you need to start trading? I recommend a couple of grand, but you can start with less. Yes. What's the most you made in a day? In a day, I don't know. I don't go day by day. My daily profits are quite small. I usually look at months. Like, bro, I know I achieved what I wanted for this year. It's just, I know I'm not where I want to be. Well, try not to... You did it? Dino Nuggies? And Anthony. Guys, we have 4,000 followers. You guys know what time it is. You guys know what time it is. Anyway, Sleepy, try not to, I don't know, compare your life to others, potentially, if that's what you're doing. Happy 4,000. Thank you. We hit 4,000 fucking followers. Why focus on where you aren't while you can make the most of where you are? Yeah, but, you know, some people have goals and want to be high achievers. Keith Page, thank you very much for following me. You guys know what time it is. Ready for the viewers to drop.
just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in the slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two wrongs gonna make our worlds collide. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in the slide, slide. I've been thinking about your love tonight. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. I've been thinking about your love tonight. Two wrongs gonna make our worlds collide. I just wanna be the one to treat you right. Two-step in the slide, slide.
Followers. Imagine what happens when we hit 10. That's just not fucking easy, eh? That's not easy. Fuck. Holy shit. Why is that so loud? Holy fuck. Alright, 4,000, let's fucking go. Let's Fuck, I think I need a dart after that, eh? 25. Did we drop viewers? I started trading with FT mode because I'm poor. Well, it's probably going to make you more poor because they're designed to fucking take your money and have you fail challenges. Party time, fuck yeah. Me after hitting TP but saying there's no emotion. Bro got moves and he does it sober. Who said I was sober? Nah, I'm kidding, I am. Rockin' Queenslander. Yee-hoo! What's happening? Just having a boogie. We hit 4,000 followers. Bro, he had TP, imagine. Me when trades go up. Up the blues. What up, B? Nah. None of that. Malik, thank you very much for following me. I don't even know what a TP is. Take profit. Toilet bag. Oh, Tom, gotta give us some salsa right this moment. Nah. Yo, James popping off. In likes? What are you talking about? James? I'm Huck. Bro, I give you an advice as a friend. Please keep trading, not dancing in Korea. Although some moves are fine. No, you actually gained during the routine? Really? I'll take that. Oh, shit! What the fuck? Bro, James with a you're awesome and 76 fucking GGs. What the fuck? Sorry, bro, I didn't even fucking see that. I was too busy boogieing. Holy shit, thank you so much. Hold on, I gotta put some shorts on. Meow. Imagine I just exposed myself right now. Thank you very much, James, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that a lot. Now I just look like a sweaty fat man. Not sure about the magic mic on the chair. Why not? Why not? Fucking hell. Do you own a shirt? Nah. Too poor. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling fan-fucking-tastic. We just hit 4,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you, guys, very much. Bro, have you ever had complaints from your neighbors? Once. Once ever. The amount of parties that I've had here is astronomical. Like, I've had so many fucking parties here. Once. And there was no one here except for, I think it was one guy was here. It was me and my girlfriend and one other guy. And it was like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. And this guy's terrible on the piss, cannot drink at all. And he fucking threw up over the balcony. It's the only time I've ever gotten a complaint. S, thank you very much for following me. Hope your eyes are good. Oh, you're talking about like that headache. Yeah, that headache just did not go away. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't think I'll be live for too long tonight. I'm also gonna buy a little fucking, what is it? It's like a little sheet thing that goes, I found it last night. They're like fucking $5 that I can just put over it. It's like a diffuser for the light, so it's not so strong on my eyes. Trust wave 4 consolidation. I don't know what that is. Congrats on 4K. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully you got to see the dance wrong. Wrong. Jesus, I'm reading the next one as well. What's wrong? Nothing. I'm good. Nothing quite like a bit of projectile onto the neighbor's balcony. Yeah, dude. I was like, fucking hell, man. See you later, Sleepy. Thank you very much for tuning in as usual, and I'll see you next time on the Gear Lad. Which one? Which type? How, bro, I want to learn so bad. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. And then go watch this. Complete Beginners. We're growing. Our Discord's growing too, and I'm so fucking happy. Welcome, Pask, to the Discord. PASQ. Thank you. All good. Thank you, Alex. How much you need to start? My recommendation is a couple grand, but you can start with less. What's good? What's good? Draco, how are you? David, thank you very much. 4,000. We're slowly getting there. I really hope that it's just a snowball effect. And you know, like, you know, you get bigger and then it just snowballs. You know what I mean? I really hope that's the case. Top 3 meme coins to invest in? None. Save your money. I don't do meme coins. How so? Thank you very much for following me. Say this to gain Eggers. Or say this. Which stock are you trading on? I trade currencies. Thoughts on Big Bear? I don't even know what that is. So can I start at $20? Do not recommend it. You probably won't be able to, no. What are you investing in? I don't do long-term investing. I mostly swing trading. Forex, currencies. Hold up, I gotta make sure I'm pretty. Fuck yeah. Ah! That, open that. Oh, that fucked my back. Too much thrusting. 500 days after Bitcoin halving, everything goes to shit. What's your take? I don't have anything. Well, I got some Bitcoin from ages ago. That's about it. I got nothing to really give a shit about with Bitcoin, to be honest. So I apologize. It's not really my forte. Did you get a trade on? I'm in trades right now. I wouldn't have taken one since the stream started. I highly doubt. I might potentially, if I have time, look at creating another EA. Maybe. That's a big task, but I need stuff to work towards, like crazy goals and everything, whilst juggling everything else. I need stuff to work towards, because I need to be like full on 100% working constantly all the time. What up, Sienna? How you going? This shit's so confusing. Should have stayed in school. How much you make a day? About $1 million. I'm fantastic, Sienna. Go look at our followers. For beginners, any advice to start with currencies of Bitcoin? Don't listen to all the bullshit online. Use a demo account. Focus on the process before profits. And join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. I have a 1-hour video on like the complete basics. Fuck. Thank you, Sienna. Thank you. 4,000, we hit it. Billy G, thank you very much for following me. That's crazy, bro. I started trading 5 days ago and I'm making $1,000 a day using sessions. It's crazy. I'm kidding. I don't make $1 million a day. Is that what I said? It's bullshit. You're making $1,000 a day and you started 5 days ago? I don't believe that for 1 second. Sorry. You full-time trade? Yep. Nah, schools for NPCs. Tom's the woman in the red dress. I don't even know what that means. Wrong one. I don't like this fucking compilation. Wait. Is this... Okay, that's not copyright. Oh, The Matrix. Gotcha. I should have fucking... Tom Anderson. You should have known that. Which broker is good in Australia? Black Bull Market's literally the only broker you should use in Australia. The link's in my bio. What app or website? Trying to start. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Watch the 1 hour beginner's video. I've got all the websites and shit in there. Are you enjoying Manu on it? I don't know what that even is. Hello, brother. You trade crypto? Nah. Is Bitcoin good? 10 years ago, it was good to invest in. How you feel about AMD? Don't do stocks. MSing, whatever that is. Thank you very much for following me. Well, on paper account, yeah, I've been doing well. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, Jesus. Gold, fair enough. I'm wanting to start Forex. Which broker you suggest in Australia? Black Bull Markets, link in my bio. 1 to 500 leverage. New Zealand-based broker. Fucking very good broker. Yes, sir. Got to stand out of the crowd. Yep. Where you gate money for trade. What? Where you gate... What? Sorry, what do you mean by that? Zoras? Thanks. All good. I've been expecting you, Mr. Anderson. How do you feel? How do I feel? Good. Ooh, I like that. Thank you. All sweet. And you guys can message me on Discord whenever you want. Feel free to fucking message me and beware of scammers. But feel free. Why Blackwell over Pepperstone? Leverage. About AMD. Oh, I got nothing to do with AMD. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yeah. But if you go into the Discord and then go through the YouTube channel, you can then just go straight to messaging me on the Discord because you're already in it. You don't have to fucking... Like, the Discord should be the first step. You trade Forex? Yep. I might not be on for long today. That's okay. You watching the State of Origin? Well, Bitcoin, it's still good to invest in. Yeah. I wouldn't be putting money in it now unless I was shorting it. I have money in it already, but I don't touch it. But if I was strategically doing it, I'd be probably shorting it. What's paper account? Just demo. What are you trading on? MT4. How to grow account, bro, from 1K to 100K. Fucking hell. That is extremely difficult and probably not going to happen unless you gamble. From a $1,000 account to a $100,000 account, you would have to probably add additions, like just keep adding money into the account and building it from there. But without gambling, you won't do that for years. Yeah, I am. Sweet. Azza, thank you very much for following me. What pairs I trade? I trade 18 different pairs. Anything Aussie dollar, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, Euro, Pound. And I trade Pound Swiss and US dollar yen for some Swiss and yen exposure. I've got a bit of money in XRP, same. But nice, good job. What? I recorded me doing... Really? I'd believe that when I saw it. You're probably gambling. Using standard trading processes, unbelievably fucking hard. Unbelievably fucking hard. And that's the thing with the internet. They're going to fucking tell you that it's possible when, mate, you'd be there for years and years and years and years and years using standard trading processes without gambling. 1 to 100K, easy. Give it all to Tom and he won't give you 100K but a Lambo instead. Is that like meme ever gonna go away? Why so many pairs? Wouldn't that affect your growth? No. So I only, and your psychology? No, not at all. I'm not in all of those pairs all the time. And I developed my own expert advisor, so it runs on all of those pairs, and I'm only in on 0.25% on a singular pair. Like on my, not on a single pair, on my initial entry is 0.25%, and then I scale in a 1.3x multiplier for like a hybrid martingale. How long would you recommend I paper trade before getting into actual trading? Until you're comfortable. It's different for everyone. I was demo trading for 2 years before I actually started. Who's Tom, bro? Me. Lamau, okay. G'day, mate. How's the trades going? Having a win? Yeah, this month's been fucking insane. We've done I keep forgetting the figure. 5.45% this month already, which is like fucking crazy. We've done 2.9 this week. We've almost done a percentage a day, which is like not usually what I do. Imagine arguing with an expert. I use Fibonacci and Fibonacci circles, and I dove deep into something that you probably don't even know. Entire market is based on geometry. Okay. You are taking up half of your screen. You trade prop firms? I have a prop account, but I don't promote it or any of that shit. I trade with my own capital. I haven't even really touched my prop account fucking ages. Bro, there's no link in your bio. Follow. So I know sometimes that happens. If you're not following me, it won't actually show up. Because I've seen that on other people's accounts. I know that you can unfollow me. I don't care. It's not like a preach to follow me, but sometimes it comes up with like recommended accounts, but it doesn't actually have the link. If not, I'll just pop the link in here. Fuck. I'll just pop the link in here. That is my broker. I did not mean to do that. This is my Discord. Sorry, that's the broker. There you go. Discord. Nice job. Thank you. Gold? Nah, no gold. We can look at gold if you want. What are you day trading at the moment? I've set up a bot on KuCoin, but it's not doing much for profit. I trade Forex, and I developed my own bot. Gun angles and gun. Okay. Well, I mean, I don't even want to talk to you because you're just being rude. So have fun talking to yourself. Might want to check if the prop doesn't have an expiry date. Some of them do. Yeah, it does. And I've gone in and made sure that I'm not expiring. Thank you for pinning that, Sienna. Teach me. Sure. I have a mentorship and I also have a free Discord. It's all linked to my bio. How do you start trading, or do you have to trade anything? How do you start trading, or do you have to trade anything? Or do you have to trade any... Wait, what? How do you start trading? Again, go to my Discord. I answer all the questions. That's why I just tell people to go there, because I've already made a video on how to start. So just go onto my Discord. There's a free course video in there. It just saves me explaining it 6,000 times a day. Oh no, that's for the mentorship. Sorry, right here. YT Curse, by the way. Thank you very much for following me. Someone else joined. What up, Xeons? Welcome, welcome. I love when the chat's like popping off, Like, bro, it makes me so happy when you guys like talk to each other in the Discord. I don't know, it just makes me like so happy. Because everybody that we have in here is like, cool, they're chill as fuck. Whoa, 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 Sienna! With 17 fucking roses, what's good? And 11 more. Thank you very much, Sienna. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What do you recommend trading Forex with? Like platform, broker, strategy, what are you talking about? If it's platform, I prefer MetaTrader 4 because I use expert advisors, so I'm like an algo trader. You can use TradingView. I got a long on XRP 226, so having a little win. Let's have a little look, CLR there. Oh yeah, fucking hell. Yeah. Yeah, you would be. Nice job. Nice job. So early for live. Love it. I'm ready for the dump today. So early for live? What do you mean? Like me live streaming? Or wait, what? I'm confused. We're about to hit 50k likes. Fucking hell, thank you. I'll go through the likes in a second. How can you start trading in your phone? I do not recommend trading on your phone at all. You'll see all the influencers and everything saying, yes, you can trade on your phone, blah, blah, blah. You just got to press buy and sell, follow my signals. It's bullshit. Do not do it. Oh, okay, my bad for that. It sounded so confusing. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. No stress. Don't feel bad at all. But you basically trade different instruments. So there's lots of different things that you can trade. You can trade currencies, you can trade crypto, you can trade index funds, you can trade stocks, you can trade commodities, you can trade fucking gold, and you can trade fucking cattle and all of this different shit. You can trade so many different things. I stick to currencies. Jeez, I thought I was the only one with the encrypted English in here. Read this if you're a cool real background. Yeah. Do I need to prove it? Do you use any indicators? Yeah. Yeah, platform, my bad. Yeah, MetaTrader 4 is what I use. What's a good app for when you're just getting started? If you're talking platform to trade on, I prefer MetaTrader 4. The only thing I hate on TikTok Live is I can't open my charts and still listen. Oh, that's shit, yeah. I'm on YouTube too. I'm on YouTube. You can go watch the YouTube stream. Nobody really goes in there. I got 2 people watching now. Say hi if you're on YouTube. Say hi. I want to see who's watching. Discord. Yeah, sweet. Best way to get into stocks? Don't trade stocks, so I don't know. Sorry, mate. Brother, why don't you trade in cryptocurrency? So, crypto is so fucking random. So, with a strategy, right, you need previous price data to base a strategy off. Crypto barely has shit, and what it does have is just completely fucking bananas that to base a legitimate strategy off of the price action that happens in crypto is too difficult. It's too random. Thy Line, thank you very much for following me. Clashbot, thank you very much for following me. Tristan and Sean, thank you guys very much for following me. So stay away from my phone. What's the difference between phone and my computer? Well, you can barely see shit on your phone for starters. Like, and it takes too long. You need to be able to see bigger pictures and everything like that. It's just going to take way too long. Does your bot trade martingale or 1.1? It does martingale. It's customizable. So you can trade it. By 1.1, do you mean like just scaling in at the same lot size? Which you can do, but you can increase it to whatever you want. You could do a fucking 5x martingale, which isn't really martingale, but it is kind of, you know what I mean? But I keep mine at 1.3. Tom, please trade bonds. Clash Royale. Yeah, thank you guys very much again. Hey man, I gotta go. Love your work today. Keep your head up and just follow the flow. I'm a dip. Thank you very much. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up. 19k fucking likes again, bro. I appreciate that so much. You're fucking crazy for that. Thank you. Thank you. 19k. Migsy 3.9. Sienna 3k. Dino Nuggies 1.6. Malik 1.3. Birchop 800. Bundy Sun 765, Braden 487, and Dot 435. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. And thank you, Jovanovic. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Love from Serbia? Dude, are you actually from... Oh, yeah, I think you did say that. That's fucking mad. Yeah, I think you said something about all the Slavic countries, something fucking the other day. What's your handle on YouTube? That's my YouTube. Oh, Megsy already did it. Thank you, Megsy. Did we see who was on YouTube? Okay, nobody said anything, and now there's no one there. How much do you make a week? About $1 trillion. Did you buy big during COVID? I wasn't active during COVID. I started like just after COVID. Like the big COVID crash. What is day trading like? Lonely. All I do is sit in my fucking apartment. How long did it take you to learn day trading? All the basics was pretty quickly, but to actual profitability, it was about 1.5 to 2 years. Okay, understood. All good. Tom Jones 1, thank you. Landon and Dot, 1 of 1 Rondo. Thank you guys very much for following me. Bro, do you think start trading with mentor or self-learning? Mentor. If I didn't find my mentor when I did, I'd probably still be fucking going around in circles. Caught a nice short on AU and long. We ping pong on AU. Yeah. Sideways. Fuck, my nose is itchy. Yeah, this is fucking yuck. That's yuck. Yeah. If you won $1 million, what would you do with it? I don't know, put it into my account, trading account. What platform do you use for trading? MetaTrader 4. Do you have a code for your Discord? I keep trying to join it. It says action can't be completed. Yeah. Like a code? What do you mean? Like, did you try and put the link in? I don't have a code or anything, no. Let me see. Nah, what do you mean? What's going on? Here, let me, like, I'll just DM you the fucking link. And tell me if that, just copy that and paste it or whatever, and tell me what happens. It's like an invite code. Nah, I don't. Nah. Fuck. I just went so blurry. Are you rich now? No comment. Yo, do you trade gold? Nope. Are you in Melbourne, Brisbane? Hello, thank you very much for following me. Have you had your account frozen before? No. Bro, how much you take for mentorship? I've got a mentorship. It's $47 a month. And there's like, I don't charge for one-on-ones and shit. So, can I go to sleep now? Yeah, of course. Get some sleep, brother. What time is it? Where are you from? Why not gold? Just not interested. I stick with what I know, which is Forex and indices. I'm just not trading the indices at the moment. Lockie, thank you very much for following me. Is crypto the best thing to trade as of now? No. No. Perfect, I'm in. Sweet! 3 new members, what's good? Anton, Carrie, Fear, and Clemson, which I'm guessing it's you, Landon. I don't want to open any fucking links. But probably, I've never even fucking heard of that. I'll Google it. Probably when you usually come live on TikTok. Every day, Monday to Friday, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, AEST. Thank you very much for following me. God, what's our fucking follower goal at? I mean, followers at? It's gotta be something good. Can you go in here? What do you think about Binance? Seems like a pretty good platform. That looks like the sketchiest shit ever. I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. See you, bro, laters. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good night. Bro, I'm desperate. Where do I learn? I have an okay crypto wallet, but it's just luck. Where do I start? Well, you found the right guy. Welcome. I don't do crypto for starters. I only do Forex, currencies, and I'm going to go back to indices shortly. I have a Discord. I have a mentorship. Discord's linked to my bio. If you don't want to get in a mentorship, doesn't bother me whatsoever. Jump in the Discord. I got videos, all that shit. You can watch, like I got a beginner's course video, whatever, that's free. You can go watch that, and you can always message me whenever you want on Discord. I sit in front of my computer for fucking, 16 hours a day, so I'm usually available. But yeah, if you just want to learn the complete basics on Discord, free course section, go watch the video. And come in here all the time. I'm in here all the time. Come ask some questions. I'm starting to trade with FTMO because I don't have enough money to start. I honestly don't think that's the best idea. If you're a beginner, going into prop is a fucking terrible idea. Q2 Sweaty, thank you very much for following me. When you do indices, does that mean smart money Tom will be here? Absolutely fucking not. No. Fuck no. No, I don't pay attention to any of that shit. It's going all over. What's that big beam in the background? Will, is that it? Just went away. Will, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Now I got fucking shit all over me. What's that big beam in the background? It's just a light stick thing that's like, it's actually behind me. It's like there. There we go. Oh yeah, don't start. But the liquidity sweeps, oh my God. How much time should I allot per day for learning? Furthermore, what's a realistic price for entry? Realistically, to get into trading and stuff, I recommend a couple of grand. That's not for everybody. You can start with less, but that's just my recommendation. And it's, I mean, man, how much time do you have? You know, how hard do you want to go? I'm not going to say go 6 hours a day every day. You're going to probably burn out eventually. I mean, that's kind of what I did, but I'm like a fixated, like OCD. I have OCD, so I get fixated on shit. But yeah, how much time? I don't know, man. I honestly, I don't know. If you can actually pull off an hour of focus every single day, you'll get pretty fucking far, pretty fucking quickly. What do you trade on? MetaTrader 4? Oh yeah, don't stop now. What the fuck was that? What are you talking about? Bro trying to be TJR? I couldn't think of anything worse. Subway, thank you very much for following me. What's that bigger? Oh yeah, I answered that. How do you get started and how much? How much? Subjective. I think I just answered that. How do you get started? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. I have a 1 hour free video on getting started. Go watch it. What do you think of meme coin trenching? Like being on the trenches in pump.fun? Is that what you're talking about? I've been there. It's not good. It's not good. I was bored. Before I started the community and everything, I was bored one day and wanted to get the gambling out of my system, so I spent a couple of days there. It's fucked. All in 50 lots. Yeah, I'm good. Do you live in the US? No, Australia. You don't need a lot to start trading. Yeah, but you got to think about your percentage return, right? So the average day trader makes profitable makes in between 3 to 10% a month. If you start with $100, you're not making very much money. I gotta go. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate that. Brendan, up the fucking Maroons. Thank you, Aries. Absolutely. Brendan, thank you very much for following me. Are you doing the salt shaker with your kid? Yeah. What up, Aries? How much did you lose in meme coins? Oh, dude. I wasn't going crazy. It was like maybe $1,000. Wasn't that much. What's good, Julian? Nah, the blues. Nah. No blues. Yeah, that's right. Well, I don't even know what I said. Alright, yeah. Woo! Let's go, Aries. Absolutely. Did you see our follow account? You missed the dancing. Michael, thank you very much Michael, thank you very much for following me. New South Wales Masterclass tonight. Potentially. Thank you very much, Aries. What up, broski? Not much, bro. We're having a good day. Where do you start from? Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. I have a 1 hour video on getting started into trading. Yuka? I remember being on holiday drunk as deposited like 4 SOL back in November. I went all in, but I had a smile on my face. All good. Yeah, Jesus. Up this fucking community too. We're growing faster than ever. To be honest, we're actually growing at an exponentially slow rate because TikTok fucking hates me. But, you know, I go live every single fucking day. You'd think we'd be a little bit more than where we're at now, but, you know, it's whatever. We're getting there. Hopefully it's a snowball. How much did you start with? My first account ever was 20 grand. How did you learn? What's the daily responsibilities of a trader day to day? That's a great question. How did I learn? I learned from fucking multiple different mentors, multiple different courses. I did the entire Baby Pips course, and then I eventually got a mentor that I learned the majority of my shit from, in terms of like strategies and figuring out how the market moves in a non-bullshit way instead of fucking the way that the internet fucking teaches you. I learned from this old British guy who's been doing this for fucking 20 years, and he's an extremely smart dude. Dogecoin, not interested. Which stock is this? This is Aussie dollar, US dollar. Before I go, every time I join the live, I get a follower for some reason, so thank you. Yeah, it's probably scammers, Sienna. VR Pop, thank you very much for following me. How do you take the emotion out of it? That's a good question too. Fuck, I don't think I answered the rest of it. Daily responsibilities, bro. News all the time. You gotta stay on top of the news. Fundamentals are key aspects to which way the market's gonna move. So you gotta pay attention. Like my daily routine is pretty chill, right? So I'll wake up whenever I wake up. You know, I don't really set alarms, and then I'll do my Russian for like 30 minutes, an hour, and then I'll go to the gym, come home, check all my trades, check all the news, everything. And then now, because I got the community, I'll start working on talking to everybody, responding to everybody in the community. And then fucking, I've got charts open all the time, just constantly monitoring the news and if anything else happens. But because I'm more swing, I don't have to pay attention that much. And then obviously on stream, I'm always on it. And then, I don't know, I'll be talking to the guys. I'm always on my computer, right? So I'll be talking to the guys and girls, sorry. And fucking checking the charts, staying on top of my drawdown and everything. It's pretty chill. Which stock is this? Answer that. But yeah, how do you take the emotion out of it? You just get used to it. It's very difficult too. I use an expert advisor, so a trading bot, which automates about 70% of my trades. So I have set parameters that I back tested for fucking, 10 years. And these parameters long term work, right? Obviously you can't predict what happens in the future, and unless there's a black swan event, it's going to be all good, right? So my parameters are set. The only thing that I'll change is take profit levels eventually. So my emotion is almost completely out of it because I use an expert advisor. Funniest thing was that Melania coin after Trump's election. Did it go crazy? I don't even know. Won't let me accept the Discord invite. What's happening, Austin? Use bots, yeah. I developed my own. Oh damn, 4,030 followers. Yeah. I know, but like its followers. True, fair enough. Put a shirt on? No. Is drop shipping buy worth doing? No. I doubt it. Thoughts on Rocker Lab stocks? No idea. I don't do stocks. Altcoin starting soon. Like altcoin season? Is that what you're talking about? Florence and the Motivation Hub. Thank you guys very much for following me. Thoughts on Rocker Lab stocks? I don't know. I don't have anything to do with stocks. Saying this action cannot be accepted. Here, I'll DM you. I just DM'd some other guy the fucking link and it worked. So let me just DM you real quick with the link. Doesn't let me DM you. I don't know, I'll put it in here. That's my Discord if anyone else wants to join. We're growing too on Discord. Fuck, we hit 400 members last week and we're already at 431. And it took us like a month and a half to get to 400 from 300. So we're growing. Austin, thanks for following me as well. Appreciate it. Is Dogecoin a scam? I don't know. No idea. Thoughts on XRP? I have no thoughts on XRP. I think that Melania coin broke all of Phantom Wallet and it was like 2 hours just to enter. Really? Jesus. I actually bought the fucking Trump coin. I might even start money in it. I don't even know where it's at right now. Awesome, thank you. All sweet. Would love to help on how to start to live off trading. Would love help. Oh, you'd love help. Yeah, of course. Join my Discord. if you want to go further, get in the mentorship. Is D20 scam? I don't know. What to use to trade again? MetaTrader 4. Fresh X Ute, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that, laddie. I appreciate it a lot, laddie. You don't even know. For 5 days this week, I got it, but I didn't even... What? We're going to claim this because they're about to run out. Fuck. We're not going to hit it, the subscription present because we didn't fucking... God, that's annoying. There's no way we get 800. No, it's like literally impossible. Unless we hit 100k likes today, which I'm not going to be live enough for us to hit that. Reach 2 subscribers. I can't see anyone fucking subscribing to my TikTok, so we're not going to get that. Go live for 1,000 minutes. We won't get that. Adam, or ADFRM, thank you very much for following me. Go live for 1,000 minutes. If I do some crazy long lives, go live on 6 days, I might be able to do that. Receive 3,800 comments. 10k minutes of views. We will hit that. Have 35 average concurrent viewers. We probably will hit that today. Use pocket options? Nah. What advice would you give someone just starting? Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Focus on the process over the profits and use a demo account for as long as you can. And join my Discord and message me with any questions you might have. When's kickoff for Origin? What time? Is it 8 o'clock? AEST? 8:05. Alright, we got a little bit of time left. Fuck! Oh! I forgot to put my slow cook on again! If anyone's OG in here, they know that every fucking time I forget to put my slow cook on when I do a slow cook. Every fucking time. So if I do it at 8 o'clock, it's not going to be ready till fucking 2 a.m. Oh, God. Fuck's sake. Just join the Discord, Mad. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Is the Baby Pips website for trading worth doing fully? Fucking, I did the entire thing, the Baby Pips Forex course. Oh my God, there's so much shit in there you just don't need to know and will never use. It's like the fucking, doing the Pythagorean fucking theory in fucking high school, like there, and just so much other shit that you just don't need to know. It might be worth, you know, knowing, but maybe, but the majority of it, there's just so much shit that you don't need to know, but there's also like some hidden gems in there that is good to know, so it's like, fuck, you may as well just do the whole fucking thing, eh? Can we just... Can we just like... I'm pretty small. Yep. C5Rs, thank you very much for following me. I had a feeling it was going on about random stuff. Yeah, dude, it's fucking... Yeah, can I be your PT? How long have you been day trading? 5 years? Yo... Is it day trading at night though? Yes. What do you trade on? What website or app? MetaTrader 4. gains in trading. Jack, thank you very much for following me. Bro, I just got genetically fucked in terms of like muscle growth. I've been training for years. I literally just got genetically fucked. There's no ifs, buts, or maybes about it, eh? What do you eat? Meat. A shitload of meat. I eat pretty clean. I've just started cutting, like maybe a month ago. But almost all of my foods consist of steaks, mince, like slow cooked beef, vegetables, and it's always with like veggies or fucking rice. I don't really fuck with chicken. In a general range, since you've started, how much would you say you've profited? I can't say that. Not on the internet. And sleep? Yeah, my sleep has been really bad for years, but it's getting better. Recently, it's gotten better. But I'm cutting. Do you use Cash App to convert your money, or is there another way? Are you talking for like crypto? I don't do crypto. I've never even used Cash App. What do you think about ZBCN? I have no idea what that is. What even is that? You need to sleep to get the gains, bro. Yeah, I know. My sleep's been pretty good recently. It's been pretty good. What type of workouts do you do? You see, I'm a weirdo. I do like individual days. So Monday's chest, Tuesday's back, Wednesday's arms, Thursday's shoulders, Friday's legs and abs. And then Saturday, Sunday's usually off. Fucking Wednesdays used to be boxing, but I can't do it anymore because my back's fucked. Best tips for starters. Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Focus on the process over the profits. And we got a new mentorship member. Welcome, Lachlan, and if you're in here. Welcome. Fuck yeah, let's get stuck into it. Everyone in here is super fucking nice. Any questions, they will help you with. Welcome. I'm excited. We'll have to get, if you're in here, we'll have to get in a call. I lost 37K as a newbie trader. Fuck, that's why I go demo. I would have probably done the exact same. That's rough, bud. That's rough. Is Moy. Thank you very much for following me. So bro split, kinda, yeah. You ever worked a 9 to 5? Yeah, plenty of them. FL Geezer, thank you very much for following me. Have you ever looked at the new moon and full moon and compared it to the market moving? No. Have you ever worked? Yep. When did you start? Like 5 years ago? Have you looked at Vor Biopharma? No. What are trading? What are you trading? Forex, currencies. Guys, I'm going to have to leave in like 2 seconds. Yeah. I need to shower too. I don't know why. My hands have been so sweaty recently. Like the last 2 days, my hands have been so sweaty for some weird fucking reason. Where do you live? It's Mad Duck. Brisbane. Gold? Nah, I don't trade gold. Just currencies. Samon. Thank you very much for following me. Where are you from? Orbin? Brisbane. Me. Brizzy. Australia. Fuck, I had my energy drink so early. I think I'm gonna have to have another one to stay awake. Is there any crazy downfalls towards day trading? Downfalls, so like negatives towards day trading? Is that what you're talking about? From Sydney? Mad, welcome. And no Chiawe followed, thank you very much. Yeah, there are plenty of negatives towards day trading. It's harsh on your psychology. A lot of people get very stressed. You've got your money on the line. Fucking can take a long time to learn. You know, it depends how you apply yourself, but it can take quite a long time to learn. And you can get scammed. This industry is full of fucking scammers. Smoking too much if you got random sweaty hands, you reckon? I quit for a while, but honestly, back to like a pack a day, it's fucked. It's so bad. Oh, how could you get scammed? Oh, dude, there's a million fucking scammers out here who promise you that they'll be able to make you fucking heaps of money. All you got to do is follow their signal services, and it's all bullshit. Like, you won't make money from that shit. There's people that will, like, I got like fucking how many people pretending to be me, trying to scam people and shit. You sign up for $1,000 courses and then they're shit, and they teach you the wrong processes and fucking teach you a bunch of ICT garbage. Like, there's so much shit. How long did it take you to become profitable? About 2 years. Actually insane. Yeah. Nicotine overstimulates the nervous system. True. I never really got this though. It's kind of fucking weird. I am hot. That's why I'm not wearing a shirt. It's fucking hot. And it's only been happening like now when I'm live streaming. When I'm not, doesn't happen. It only happened yesterday and today. Which is fucking strange, laddie. I'm currently paper trading. Do you have a specific market I should focus on today when market opens? If you're doing market opens, probably just the US indices. Like NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30 or Dow Jones. Something like that if you're focusing on US market open. My recommendation. Ew, what the hell? Yuck. What the fuck is that? Ew. It's 6 degrees in Melbourne. What's the temperature right now? It's fucking 19 degrees. 18 now. It's fucking hot. What's on gold? Is it going to go lower? I don't know. I got no idea. Honestly, I don't trade gold. Got nothing to do with gold. Wouldn't have a fucking clue. Damn, this is a... okay, actually, that was a 5-minute chart. I was about to say, I was like, oh shit. I might put some money in gold, but yeah. we're not that down bad. We're just flip-flopping around. Whether it does this or this, no one knows. Binary outcome. It's either, here you go, there's a 33% chance it's going to do this, a 33% chance it's going to do this, or a 33% chance it's going to do this. What's the name of the broker you trust? Black Bull Markets. The link's in my bio. I put a link in my bio because people keep fucking asking about it. It is an affiliate link too, but I've literally never made a cent off of it, so yeah. They have a terrible affiliate program, but they're the fucking best broker that I've ever been able to find. So I guess they can have a shit affiliate program. Yeetus. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. I think I'm going to have to boost. State of Origin's about to come on. I'm going to have to get the fuck out of here. Discord's linked to my bio. That's okay. I'm up 7 today. Nice. Good job. Have a good day too. I appreciate that. Discord's linked to my bio. Menshop's linked to my bio. Broker's linked to my bio. Everything's linked to my bio. Jump in. Let's come have a chat. Let's do it. Let's fucking go. I'll see you all tomorrow. It'll be back to normal time, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and we'll go from there. But yeah, appreciate it, all of you. Thank you guys very much for the likes. Thank you very much for the... Let's have a look. Jovanovic, 19K. 3 Alchemy, 5.8. Migsy, 5.7. Sienna, 3.4. Thy Line, 2.2. Dino Nuggies, 1.6. Malik, 1.3. 80 FRM, 1.2. Birchop, 841. Thank you guys very much, and thank you all for the gifts as well. I appreciate it a lot. You guys have a fantastic evening. Take it easy. I'll be there. Sweet. See you, man. Have a blessed night. You guys too. I appreciate that. Peace.